that door. Wait, hold on. Zoom. But it won't zoom, but that door. Moment there. Dito na. Start na. Ay, hindi pa pala. Papasok. Papasok pala. Papasok. Yeah. Andiyan. Yung mga pintuan na yan. Andiyan yung moment. Andiyan na sila sa mga pintuan yan. In a few more minutes, makikita na namin yung mawalan. Yes!
Isa pa po.
Huwag tayo mo na oh, dito tayo sa gitna. Dito tayo sa gitna. Ayaw! Over here. Kinakabahan na ako. Excited at the same time. Yun! Mamula! We're here! Where are they? Where are they? Yun! No! Wala pa sila, pero anyway, yun.
So, since fan sign nga to, wow, powerful. Since fan sign nga to, please put your name, type it on your phone para hindi na magka-clarify ng mga spelling and para hindi na siya paulit-ulit. Also, no physical contact. Bawal po ang high five. Bawal din po silang i-hug. Bawal din pong shake hands. Sorry. No hugging talaga. And we also do not allow selfies or picture taking with the members. Sorry na agad. And please be orderly kasi you will be entering the stage by groups of 8 and then you will be getting a random sign from one member. Kaya huwag po tayong magugulo. Don't push. Lahat po tayo makakalapit sa moment.
Announcement.
At kung may sumaway, we're going to have to stop the fan sign. Kaya pakabait tayo, guys, ha?
Oh, yes!
Saya-saya na, thank you!
Thanks!
Papagalitan ko kayo. Charot! Sa signing. Pag may candles po kayo, pakilagay na lang po sa table sa likod. And also, don't forget to write your name on your phone if you have name tag. Para hindi mo mali yung mag-spell ng pangalan.
Nag-heart sign siya! Yano! 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 Oh my God!
Okay, quiet. Okay, this is a special perk of all the ticket buyers for Momoland. So, thank you so much also for supporting the show. So, let's all settle down. Let's do this in an orderly manner, and of course, let's still follow the rules and regulations because we don't want anyone to get hurt now. So, as much as possible, let's stay seated at all times and let's please follow all our facilitators today and our bouncers. They will be the ones to help you make this experience really good. So, pakiusap lang guys, let's make this a good event, okay?
Yes!
And guys, aware naman kayo sa mechanics natin, di ba?
Yes! Yes!
Alright, nagbasa tayo. That's good. Alright, we'll start.
She's so mabait!
Once again, guys, welcome on stage, Nolan! Please, also let's keep the line orderly. Thank you. Next eight, please.
Gusto ko si Yono, babe. Naganda rin si Oh, babe. Gusto ko si Yono. Ganda rin siya. Swerte niya kay Daisy siya.
Once again, no physical contact, no selfies or picture taking. Also, please be orderly and remember to write your name on your phone.
Yono!
Hindi na po paulit-ulit ng spelling.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Please,
Oh my gosh, she's so beautiful. She's so beautiful. She's so beautiful. Ay! Yono! Yono! Sayang, bawal. Bawal selfie, bawal video. Up close, pero doon na sila paakyat. Ay! Yeah, they're so close to me. Oh, yes! So, tapos ng fan time, bukas naman, fan meeting.